What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of GRIFFS Garage. Hey, today we have a special one here today. You dig what I'm saying? And I know you guys out there in YouTube land know this guy right here. You know what I'm saying? This is my guy, TORO _704. You know what I'm saying? Out of Charlotte. It's got an amazing car back here. You know, you've probably seen it on a couple of my other videos, but let them know what kind of car you got.
All right, you guys, so I have a 2020 Dodge Challenger 1320, and if you don't know what that is still a regular Scat Pack per se. It still has a 6.4 liter engine. I just have demon specs, demon parts, etc. Everything from the trans breakdown through the suspension dampers and things like that. So the first 60 feet is my fun and games, man. So you know that's what it is.
Hey, so if you see the B and you see the 1320 under it, you know what I'm saying, know that it's a Scat Pack, but it's not a regular Scat Pack, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna call it the Demon's little brother, you know, because it's minus the engine, of course, you know what I'm saying? But like you said, in that first 60 feet, you'll probably be in trouble if you run up on them, you know? So I've seen it. I've had opportunity to see you, you know, put it to the test a little bit, you know? So how long have you had it?
I've had it for now on 3 months, a little bit more than 3 months. You know, bought it brand new, so I did get rid of my red one. So if you do follow my channel, yes, the red one is gone. You got, but I've had it for about 3 months, and I've only actually played with it about 2 or 3 times. So.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, you know, I might have to get them out there, and we might have to, you know, have a little fun one day. You know,
sure.
I would definitely love to see how that trans brake work in it and everything like that, because I haven't been able to experience. I don't have the trans brake in my 392 Daytona, you know, so I think it would be pretty dope. So we might have to bring some of that content to you guys, you know what I mean? But today, you know, we're at GRIFFS Garage today. Like I said, we got this car sitting in the garage here. My guy Jeremy, aka Griff, is in there prepping everything, getting them right, and this is gonna be an all-day affair for you, huh?
All-day
So
affair, man.
I mean, guys, I went in there and I looked a little bit, and I'm ecstatic and excited to see the finished product, and you guys know that I'm going to take you through the whole process. But before we move any further, make sure you guys go and subscribe to his channel. Of course, you know I'm going to put that on the screen, TORO _704. Make sure you also follow him on Instagram. Of course, tell him Rellz sent you, you know what I'm saying? So you ready for the transformation?
Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so I got the man, the myth, the legend here, Jeremy, aka Griff, at GRIFFS Garage. And like I said, he was in there prepping just a few seconds ago, and he's ready to attack this 1320. So is this your first 1320?
It is.
Hey, you know, first time for everything, and he's done a lot of work previously with Toro. So they got a nice relationship when it comes to this vinyl and cars, you know. So this is a big project today, correct?
Yeah, it's gonna be a big. There's a lot involved in his what we're gonna do today. A little bit of wrapping, a little bit of embossing. You know, obviously, you know, he wants to stick with his theme that he kind of like trademarked. So it'll be interesting to see how it turns out.
That's what I'm talking about. If you guys seen Toro's previous Challenger, the red one, you could probably get an idea on which direction we're going, but this is a total flip because the car is black now, you know what I'm saying? So like embossing, I think it's sort of like the new wave when it comes to wrapping and bringing out details and stuff like that. And Jeremy is amazing when it comes to doing the embossing. So I can't wait to see what this thing is gonna look like.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, ready to get at it?
I am.
All right. welcome back. Hey, we just had an amazing transformation here on GRIFFS Garage today. You see the guy Toro _704 right there. And of course, we got my main man Jeremy from GRIFFS Garage. Make sure you go and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Make sure you follow both of them on Instagram. But hey, today, man, it was a long day today, you know, because it was a full job. So we're gonna talk to my main man Jeremy. He's gonna take us over exactly what he did in his car, and I'm gonna step out the way so y'all can see this amazing detail behind me. So Jeremy, let them know what you did today, man.
Okay, so as you step out of the way, you can obviously see the iconic Toro bull. We had to put that back on there, and we also went with satin red to go on the back because it's a black car. We also wrapped the hood, the hood and the trunk of it, and we did some embossing with some the honeycomb aspect to it.
Absolutely. So they're gonna get to check that out, and of course y'all know I'm gonna do that slow cinematic reel by reel. You're gonna see that here in just a second. But I gotta talk to the man that owns the vehicle. What do you think about your new, well, not your new ride, but your transform ride?
So this is kind of like Toro 2.0 for me, so you know I appreciate Jeremy for doing it over again, you know. But it definitely looks amazing, and then the added touches of the embossing and some of the little tiny details just makes this one that much better. So
you ecstatic about it?
Oh, for sure.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. So, hey, guys, if you need to reach out to the guys down here at GRIFFS Garage, make sure you check them out on Instagram at griffs.garage. You know what I mean? Shoot them a DM. They'll jump back at you, and you can go ahead and get your car transformed to look something like this. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not as good as this one right here because this is an original one-off. You know what I'm saying? But they'll definitely take care of you. You know what I'm saying? You can hit them up. So, you guys know I'm about to bring that cinematic reel by reel to you. So, get your popcorn, get your drink, sit back, relax, because here it goes.